Hey guys, so today we're making some pancakes. So for the first step, we will need 3 cracked eggs. So now that we have 3 cracked eggs, we're gonna separate the yolk from the egg white. And here's a yolk. So now we will take the bowl with the yolks and add some milk. And we're gonna sift some flour. Now we're gonna whisk everything. And my whisk just gave up on me. There it goes. Now your mixture should look something like this.
No, you know, it looks like mustard.
Some salt. Now we add a pinch of salt, and we use a mixer to mix everything. So you know it's ready when you can flip it over.
Honestly, never follow my tutorials because they're crap. You might end up burning your house.
And now we add some butter in. So this is the part where you mix the meringue into the other batter. So for the first portion, you take half of the meringue and you mix it with this batter, and you can mix it, with pressure. And now we're gonna add the rest of the meringue, and you have to be very gentle with this. You don't want to overmix it, and it has to be as fluffy as possible. So now we're gonna take a non-stick pan.
If you're not using a non-stick pan, then you can use a pan and lightly grease it with oil and a paper towel.
So now we're gonna put the butter onto the pan. Here's a mini pancake. So now we're gonna make what is it called again? A nice coffee. So we're gonna froth some milk and use whatever coffee you want. That's some froth milk right there. And then just put as much as you want. So now I'm gonna put some powdered sugar onto my pancakes and add some honey. You can add whatever you want. And there it is, how you make pancakes.